It's a lesson of the soul to learn to be happy with where you are and to be happy and content with what you have. When I was in my early 20s and I lost my entire lifestyle and life and energy and physical health, and the ordinary days that I lived totally changed, my life was very different and I felt very, very different. But one thing I had to learn was to be patient, but to practice being mindful in the moment and to enjoy the simple things in life, to stop, slow down, and to relax and to smell the flowers at the side of the road, to cycle slowly. I wasn't even able to cycle actually, but just, in general, to drive a bit slower, just to enjoy life more, to appreciate the small things. Right? So, also, so many of us go through stages where we're learning where we want to be somewhere else in our life that we're not. For example, we want our business to be ahead of where it is. We want our health or our relationship to be where it is, where it isn't. I mean, somewhere else. We may want to live in a different place. We may be dissatisfied with our job. There might be something hard, a challenge, an emotional situation, something where we feel it's like happening that's very unjust or something that we don't like. So there's so many lessons, like so many. You could talk forever, and there's dozens, if not hundreds, of lessons I could spin off the top of my head right now. But a lot of it really just largely boils down to making peace with where you are as a person in life and who you are, and what you have, your possessions, your body, the things, people, friends, and relationships. But from this place, everybody, from this place of gentle acceptance and gratitude, we can actually get to where we want to go to faster, and to get what we want faster if it's meant for us. It's practicing allowing and surrender to a degree, but not being complacent. It's an inner energy shift, but outwardly we take much better corrective actions or much better allowing, receiving behaviors. So we will get a better relationship that way. We get a better everything. So, yeah. I guess that's all I really want to say, because I want to keep these videos short and sweet so you can get the gist and even share with your friends and family. I love that. And thanks everyone for showing your support by giving it a like, a comment, subscribe, and add it to the notification button so you receive more of these messages in the future. And you just for any love and support and help, so that's appreciated. So yeah, check out my links below for like everything: my herb store, coaching, my books, my playlists, my recommendations, and to befriend me on social media. And other than that, thank you, my friends, and have the most beautiful day ever. Thanks for stopping by. Take care.